Students, so previous class I think example number 27 completed. So now I start example number 28. Example number 28. 28 is equation is 3x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 8. Second equation 2x plus y minus z is equal to 1, and third is 4x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 4. And question is solve the following system of equation by matrix method. So first suppose let the given system can written as ax is equal to b, call it 1. What is a? Where a is a given 3 minus 2 3 2 1 minus 1 4 minus 3 2, that is coefficient of all x y z, and capital X is x y z, and matrix B is equal to constant term 8 1 4. So first you check that inverse exists or not. So for this find the determinant of A. First find determinant of A. So determinant of A is equal to determinant of 3 minus 2 3 2 1 minus 1 4 minus 3 2. So find their determinant. Now expand along R1. So sign plus minus, then sign plus. So write 3, then row 3 column 3 row, that is 1 minus 1 minus 3 2, that is deleting C1 and R1, 3 element C1 R1. Next sign minus, first write this minus, then element is minus 2, then delete column and row of minus 2, minus 2 row deleting and column also deleting. So element is 2 minus 1 4 2. Next write plus 3, delete 3 का column and row को delete कर दें. So element is 2 1 4 minus 3. Now simplify. So this equal to 3 into cross multiply. So 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3. So 2 minus 3, then minus minus plus 2, that is 4 minus or minus 4. So minus minus plus. Next plus 3 into minus 6 minus 4. This is minus 1. So minus 3 8, 2 just 16, this is 10 minus 10. So minus 30. This equal to minus 3 and minus 30, that is minus 33 plus 16 is equal to minus 17. So determinant value is minus 17, which is non-zero. So A inverse exists, therefore A inverse exists. So now find A inverse. Find A inverse. So first find cofactor, that is find A11 A11 that is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into M11 यानी फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम को डिलीट करोगे, फर्स्ट रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम को डिलीट करेंगे. सो एलिमेंट इज 1 minus 1 minus 3 2. So this one is plus and sign is 2 minus 3 that is minus 1. So A11 is minus 1. आप सेम ऐसे सब वैल्यू निकाल लोगे. A11 is minus 1 सेम फाइंड कर लोगे सब. Similarly A12 is minus 8, A13 minus 10, A21 is minus 5, A22 minus 6, A23 is 1 and A31 minus 1, A32 9 and A33 7. सब सेम फाइंड कर लोगे. नाउ फाइंड इनवर्स ऑफ ए. फाइंड इनवर्स. नाउ फाइंड इनवर्स. So for inverse, since A inverse is equal to, or first find adjoint, so adjoint of A is equal to transpose of cofactor matrix. So what is A11? A11 is minus 1, A12 minus 8, A13 minus 10, A21 minus 5, A22 minus 6, 231, 31 is minus 1, 32 is 9, A33 is 7. The transpose. So this equal to minus 1 minus 8 minus 10 minus 5 minus 6 1 minus 1 9 7. This is the adjoint of A. So find inverse. Now find inverse. So inverse is equal to, since A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, and what is the determinant of A? Minus 17. So minus 1 by 17 into adjoint of A, minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 8 minus 6 9 minus 10 1 and 7. This is the inverse of A. I check that inverse of A, minus of this, minus 8 minus 6 9 minus 10 1 7. Okay. Now from equation 1, from 1, since Ax is equal to B, so direct I can write x is equal to what? A inverse B, and put the value. What is A inverse? And the value put x also. X y z is equal to A inverse. What is A inverse? Minus 1 by 17 minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 8 minus 6 9 minus 10 1 7 into B. What is B? What is matrix B? Matrix B is 8 1 4. Now multiply of these two matrices. Multiply these two matrices. So now multiply. So R1 multiplying C1. So X Y Z is equal to minus 1 by 17, R1 multiplying C1. So minus 1 into 8, minus 8, minus 5 into 1, minus 5, minus 1 into 4, minus 4. This is one element. Now R2 into C2. So minus 8 into 8, minus 64, minus 6 into 1, minus 6, 9 into 4, plus 36. Now next element, R3 into C1 minus 10 into 8 minus 80, 1 into 1, 1, 7 into 4, 28. So this equal to minus 1 by 17, simplify it. This is 9 and minus 17, and this one is 70, 70 minus 70 and plus 36. So minus 34, this one is 29, 80 minus 29, 30, 50, that is 51 minus 51. Now divide by 17. So this equal to divide by minus 17 becomes 1, 17 2 ja and 17 3 ja. This is the value of x, y and z. Now compare it. Now compare. So what is the value of x? X equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. This is a solution. Important क्वेश्चन है, इस टाइप का एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन पूछता है. एंड नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 29. एग्जाम्पल नंबर इज 29. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 29. You read, what is the question? The sum of three number is 6. Sum of three number is 6. And last here what is question? Find the numbers. So suppose numbers are x, y and z. Given the sum of three numbers is 6. So first suppose let three numbers are, let three numbers are x, y and z. So according to question, sum of this number is 6, that is x plus y plus z is equal to 6. And if we multiply third number by 3 and add the second number, what is second number? Y. Add, if we multiply third number by 3, yeah, by 3 and add second number, or this can also written, if we multiply 3 by third number, that is 3z, and add second number, that is plus y. So directly we can write y plus 3z is equal to what? 11. Multiply third number by 3 and add second number, whose sum is given 11. Also given by adding first and third number. By adding first, that is x, and third number, that is z. First and third number, we get double of the second number, that is equal to 2y. So this can written x minus 2y, not here sufficient space. So equation is x plus y plus z is equal to 6, and second equation y, that is this can written 0 into x plus y plus 3z is equal to 11, and third can written this 2y taking left side, then x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0. So this is the three equation and solve by same. Example number 28 solve कर लेंगे. Okay, so now exercise 4.6. Exercise 4.6. Exercise 4.6. First question number 1. Question is examine the consistency of the system of equation in exercise 1 to 6. Consistency means solution is consistent or inconsistent. So when solution is consistent, that is when determinant value is non-zero, then solution is consistent. Consistent means if determinant value is non-zero, that is if determinant not is equal to 0, then solution is consistent. And second, if determinant of A is equal to 0, and A into adjoint of A not is equal to 0, then solution is inconsistent. Then solution is inconsistent. If A into adjoint of A non-zero, then solution is inconsistent. So check by question number 1. First equation is ax plus 2y is equal to 2 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. So first find A, write A. What is A? Since A is the determinant of all coefficient of x, y in 3 variable, also z also, here 2 variable. So find the determinant, that is matrix. So A is equal to, what are the coefficient? Here coefficient 1, 2, 2 and 3. That is A is a matrix made by all coefficient of variable term. Now find a determinant. So determinant of A is cross multiply. Determinant of 1, 2, 2, 3. So this is equal to 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. So determinant value is not equal to 0. So solution is consistent. Therefore solution is consistent. Now find question number 3. First clear. Now question number 3. Question number 3. 3 is ax plus 3y, 2x plus 6x plus 3y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 6y is equal to 8. So first let ax is equal to b, where a is equal to what? Coefficient of variable term, that is 1, 3, 2 and 6. And what is b? B is a constant term, that is 5 and 8. So for consistency, first find determinant of A. So find determinant of A, that is determinant of 1, 3, 2, 6. Now cross multiply. 6 into 1 6, 2 into 3 6. Determinant is 0. When determinant value is 0, then find, that is the evaluate the value of A into adjoint of A. So now find adjoint of A. For adjoint of A, first find cofactor. So find the value of A11. A11, that is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. आप फर्स्ट रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम को हटा दोगे. सो डिटर्मिनेंट इज 6, दैट इज वैल्यू 6 इज इक्वल टू 6. Next find A12, that is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. अब क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट रो और सेकेंड कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो को डिलीट कर दिए, सेकेंड कॉलम डिलीट कर दिए, सो एलिमेंट इज 2, दिस इज नेगेटिव, सो वैल्यू इज माइनस 2. नेक्स्ट A21, माइनस 1 टू द पावर 2 प्लस 1 इंटू, इसमें क्या डिलीट करना है, सेकेंड रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम डिलीट करना है, सेकेंड रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम, क्या बचा एलिमेंट 3, and this becomes minus 3, so minus 1 to the power 3, that is minus, so value is minus 3. Next find A22, that is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into, that is delete second row second column, second row second column, so element is 1, and this is power even, so value is 1. So now find adjoint. So adjoint of A is equal to cofactor matrix A116, A12 minus 2, A21 minus 3, A22 1, its transpose. This is the adjoint. Now taking transpose, 6 minus 2 minus 3 1. So this is the adjoint of A. Since the determinant value of A equal to 0, so now find A into adjoint of A. Check that value is 0 or not. A into adjoint of A. What is A? A matrix is 1 3 2 6, and adjoint of A 6 minus 3 minus 2 1. Now find its product. Find product. So R1 multiplying C1. So 1 into 6, 6, 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Next R1 into C2. So 1 into minus 3, 3 into 1, 3. Now R2 into C1. So 2 into 6, 12, 6 into minus 2, minus 12. Now this R2 into C2. So this is minus 6 plus 6. So all integers 0 0 0 0 0 0, that is this matrix is 0. So A into adjoint of A, the value of A into adjoint of A is equal to 0. So solution is consistent or inconsistent according as system either infinite many solution or no solution. Here solution is consistent or inconsistent. Solution is right. So solution is, since this equal to 0. Here second case when adjoint of A, sorry, now B into adjoint of A, there one mistake, not A into adjoint of A. Now find B into adjoint of A, there's some mistake. So यहाँ से आप कट कर दें, यहाँ से मिस्टेक हो गई. Now find B into adjoint of A, B into, not A into. So now find adjoint of A into B. यदि आप पीछे A into लिखे होंगे तो उसमें करेक्शन कर लीजिएगा. आप पिछले क्लास में चेक कर लो कि यहाँ पे हम क्या लिखे थे, A लिखे हैं और B, वहाँ पे आप करेक्शन कर लेंगे. एडजॉइंट ऑफ A इंटू B, नॉट A, आप करेक्ट कर लीजिएगा. सो एडजॉइंट ऑफ A इंटू B, व्हाट इज एडजॉइंट ऑफ A? एडजॉइंट ऑफ A is 6 minus 3 minus 2 and 1, and to B, what is B? 5 8. So now multiply. So R1 multiply C1, so 6 5 ja 30 and minus 24. Next R2 C1, so minus 10 plus 8. This equal to 6 minus 2, which is not is equal to 0. So solution is inconsistent. Therefore solution is इनकंसिस्टेंट। तो आप चेक कर लोगे कंसिस्टेंट और इनकंसिस्टेंट, तो आप सेम क्वेश्चन लगा लोगे सब। सो नाउ एक्सरसाइज 4.6 होमवर्क, एक्सरसाइज 4.6 होमवर्क, आप रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लीजिएगा। ओके, आप यह चेक कर लोगे कि इसमें हम क्या बताएं, एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए इंटू बी और ए। यदि प्रीवियस क्लास में ये होगा तो उसको आप करेक्ट कर लीजिएंगे, एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए इंटू बी, एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए इंटू बी, नॉट ए। ओके।